Hello and welcome to Solutions Review Explores. I'm Jonathan Paula. Earlier on the show, we introduced you to ERP software, which unites, streamlines, and standardizes business processes of the company across different departments. Today we'll look at the history and evolution of enterprise resource planning. Although the term ERP wouldn't officially be coined by Gartner Inc., the Connecticut-based IT consultancy firm, until 1990, the origins of this category start decades earlier. During the 1960s, some organizations began implementing centralized computing systems, mostly for inventory management. Material Requirement Planning Systems, MRP, were developed in the 1970s and handled the planning of products or part requirements according to the production schedule. After the emergence of MRP capabilities, ERP systems began integrating business processes including manufacturing, distribution, accounting, financial, human resource management, project management, inventory management, service and maintenance, and transportation, all of which help provide accessibility, visibility, and consistency across the entire enterprise. Since then, ERP systems have been rapidly developing with wider adoption among larger enterprises. New software systems called Manufacturing Resource Planning, or MRP2, were introduced in the 1980s and emphasize optimization of manufacturing processes by synchronizing the materials with production requirements. Unfortunately, these one-size-fits-all solutions force companies to re-engineer their business processes to accommodate the logic of the software modules. In the Evolution of ERP Systems: A Historical Perspective, a report published in 2002, academics Mohammed A. Rashid, Liaquat Hossein, and John David Patrick assert that ERP needed to be redesigned in order to break the barrier of proprietorship and customization, and to ensure ERP maintained relevance in the Internet age. By the 1990s, the ERP industry had risen to the challenge, recognizing the importance of open architecture, interchangeable modules, customization, and user interfacing. These improved systems surfaced as business environments became increasingly complex, with functional units requiring more interfunctional data flow for decision-making, timely and efficient procurement of product parts, management of inventory, accounting, human resources, and distribution of goods and services. Additional add-ons and extensions gained popularity in the 1990s as well, which included Advanced Planning and Scheduling, APS, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, and Supply Chain Management, SCM. Today, ERP systems have evolved to encompass the complete suite of back and front-end business operations. Not only have the number of vendors and the range of solutions increased, but there has also been a broadening and deepening of the application's capabilities. Compared to their humble beginnings, modern ERP systems are more closely integrated into business solutions, thanks to the emergence of advanced enterprise technologies. Deloitte Consulting claims in an article titled The Future of ERP that the most significant change facing this category is the shift from strict process automation based on scale and repetition to the orchestration framework for an agile, adaptable response to often changing events. If you'd like more information on ERP software, click the link below to download our free comprehensive buyer's guide, available exclusively at solutionsreview.com. In the meantime, click or tap the icons on screen to watch a related video or subscribe for future uploads. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.